Hello, this is Alvin Storyteller and welcome to this online story session. Now I'm going to tell you the story of the mother bird, and along with the story there is also a dice game. Excited? Let's get into the story. In a forest there was a tall tree, and in this tree lived a bird. One day, it laid an egg and said, "Oh, I'm gonna have a baby." And after 21 days, the egg began to crack, 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 crack-a-patoon. And from it came an yellow bird. Mother bird looked at the little baby and said, "Oh, you are so tiny, and I'm gonna name you Bebe." Many days later, Mother bird told Bebe, "Bebe dear, Mama is gonna get some food for you, so better be safe, okay?" And Mother bird went out searching for food. At that time, in the forest, there came a huge wind, and it blew, and all the trees in the forest were shaking, and even the tall tree, the house of the mother bird, was also shaking. And who was there in the tree? Bebe. Now, do you think Bebe was able to hold on to the tree? No! It fell out due to the wind. It came down, 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 top. It fell on the ground and it rolled away. Now, when the wind went out of the forest, Mother bird returned home. And do you think she found Bebe? No! She couldn't find. She kept calling her, "Bebe, where are you? Bebe, where are you?" But Bebe was missing. She immediately flew out, searched for Bebe. She called out, "Bebe, Bebe, Bebe." But there was no answer. At that moment, there came an elephant. And the elephant asked Mother bird, "What happened, dear? Why are you screaming so loud?" Mother bird replied, "Oh, elephant dear, I lost Bebe." "Ooh, that's bad. But don't worry, I will help you to find her," said elephant. And he went this side, and Mother bird was searching the other side. After some time, Mother bird met a lion. And the lion asked Mother bird, "Oh, why are you screaming so loud?" And Mother bird replied, "I lost Bebe." And lion replied, "Oh, that's bad. But don't worry, I will help you to find her." And the lion went this side and Mother bird went the other side. After some time, Mother bird met two cats who were fighting. These two cats, listening to Mother bird shout, "Bebe, Bebe, Bebe," they stopped their fight and asked her, "Oh, what happened? Why are you screaming so loud?" And Mother bird replied, "Oh, I lost Bebe." And the two cats replied, "Oh, that's bad, but don't worry, we will help you to find her." And the two cats went this side and Mother bird went the other side. Now, Mother bird flew over a river and she kept searching, "Bebe, Bebe, Bebe." A duck who was swimming at that time asked her, "Oh dear, why are you screaming so loud?" And Mother bird replied, "Oh, I lost Bebe." Duck said, "Oh, that's bad. Hey, but wait, I saw something yellow rolling there during the wind." Immediately, Mother bird flew towards the place where the duck pointed, and she came to a bush. And among the thistles of the bush, Mother bird found Bebe with her eyes closed. She stretched her wings through the bushes and pulled Bebe out. She looked at her. Oh, baby dear, please get up, please get up. But Bebe didn't get up. She called again, Bebe, please, please get up. But Bebe didn't answer. And soon, tears began to flow from Mother Bird's eyes. And one drop of the tear touched Bebe. And when that happened, Bebe opened her eyes. Mother Bird cuddled her and said, oh, Bebe dear, you are alive. And she took Bebe up her tree. And after many days, Mother Bird and Bebe met the elephant, the lion, the two cats, and the duck, and thanked them for helping them. And that's the end of the story. This is the game. A 1, a 2, a 3, a poof. Here it is. As you see, the goal of the game is to help Mother Bird reach her little one. So how do we play it? This is a multiplayer game. So whichever player reaches the little bird first is the winner. How do we go about it? Every player roll their dice and they move according to the number that comes up in the dice. But you see, I have given animals, the animals that came in the story, and each player has to meet all the animals, and once they meet a particular animal, you need to do the exercise that is under that animal. So whoever completes everything, reaches the little bird first, is the winner. Now for example, say you have crossed 9 steps and you are just 1 step before the lion. You cannot roll a 2 and cross over. You have to wait for 1, stand on the line, and then you finish the exercise and then you move on. So play the game, have fun, and also along with the story I've also given you the vocabulary sheets. Use them to develop your vocabulary. See you soon with another video. Bye-bye.